Top 10. Best Scuba Gear Packages. Last. Once you get a glimpse of the impressive underwater world, you will want to keep going back for more. Number 10. Mer's Prime Scuba Gear Package, Lip Diver. Each item has been hand-selected to ensure a balanced dive. The Scuba BCD package has large pockets allowing you to store extra gear like a dive knife or compass for direction, and is fully adjustable, giving you complete comfort. Fully adjustable BCD. High-quality regulator and octopus. Setup fits your body style. Number 9. Mer Scuba Diving Octo Complete Set is no exception. The BCD is made of lightweight nylon that creates a durable frame. A complete set of D-rings and pockets allow you strap and carry all your gear without making you choose between them. Not only does it come with everything. Lightweight nylon BCD. Excellent value. Visible even in murky water. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindly.com. Search Best Scuba Gear Packages or simply click below the video description link. Fishfindly fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 8. Scubapro KnightHawk BCD. The BCD has a comfortable strap system and added padding to create a completely comfortable environment. A durable 1000 denier nylon material is used for the bladder, which inflates from the back. The soft neoprene neck pad will keep pressure off your soft spots. Dive computer included. Up to 393 foot depth. Lightweight package. Number 7. Mer's Abyss 42 Regulator Scuba. Incredibly durable BCD is weight integrated with 55 pounds of lift. A quick release waist strap and 3 overpressure relief valves. This BCD is everything you are looking for. Tons of add-ons and storage. This BCD. Easy to install alternative air source. 24 dive log on computer. Lots of storage on BCD. Number 6. Scubapro Equator BCD Scuba. With a lightweight, compact design, you can take this BCD with you just about anywhere. 6 stainless steel D-rings allow you to clip your gear to your vest. Weight pocket systems eliminate the bulk of carrying a separate weight belt. Easy to fold small backpack. Super comfort high flow mouthpiece. Gauge and free dive modes. Number 5. Cressy Travelight 15 pounds Scuba. Into a compact carrying case and is an astonishing 15 pounds. Not only do you get everything you need to jump into the water, but also a durable backpack to carry everything in, including a mask and fins. The BCD is a travel style, which means it is ultra lightweight. Loads of styles and sizes. High quality build. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindly.com. Search Best Scuba Gear Packages or simply click below the video description link. Fishfindly fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 4. Cressy R1 BCD Leonardo Scuba. Package that checks all the boxes. An affordable price with high quality materials, and everything you need to get on the water makes this an excellent buy. This package comes with a BCD that has integrated movable weight pockets. This allows you to carry your weights on you instead of in a weight belt. Excellent value. Quality BCD. Easy to use computer. Number 3. Cressy Start Pro BCD Compact Dredge Gauge. Durable complete scuba diving packages. This is the best dive gear lightweight setup that covers everything you need to get in the water. The BCD is made out of a high-quality nylon that has been designed to be used for rental units and dive schools. Bulletproof design. High-quality material. Equipment package is high quality. Number 2. Oceanic Price Buster Scuba. Compact sets you can get. All of this gear fits into a bag that you can stow in the overhead compartment of an aircraft. The BCD is lightweight and easy to strap on with the completely adjustable waist and shoulder straps. Additional packs on either side of your waist give. Compact system. Included bag fits fins and mask. The regulator fits comfortably. Number 1. Aqualung Pro HDB BCD i300. Salt water and chlorine to ensure you can use it many years to come. The BCD jacket comes equipped with integrated weight pockets, so you don't have the bulk of wearing a weight belt. A balanced diaphragm mechanism in the Titan regulator allows you to breathe easy. Lightweight design. Great for beginners. Allows you to breathe easy. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindly.com. Search Best Scuba Gear Packages or simply click below the video description link. Fishfindly fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts.